Hi, I want to share with you a short trade that I did on the coin called Atom today. I initiated this trade when Atom went up to the level of approximately 44. I noticed that time that there was this RSI negative divergence, which is nothing but price forming a higher high. And as you can see on my screen, RSI failing to form a higher high. So this is called a divergence. After noticing this divergence on the 20-minute chart of Atom Perp, which is the future contracts for Atom, I initiated my short trades at prices of first a little bit on 43 at 43 when I saw that the coin had started to reverse, and then a little bit more at 40. So I got an average price of around 42.8, and I opened a position worth $2,500. Soon enough, in 3 days' time, the coin fell all the way from the high of 44 to the bottom of 35. Now, this is where, as you can see, marked by the green dots, this is exactly where I closed my position. Now, the reason for that was the when the previous low was forged over here, we could see no, sorry, over here we could see that RSI had gone, deep in the negative zone, which indicated that there would be more fall, more correction to follow. And then on RSI, we did not see a similar action because RSI created a positive divergence. But then again, when I looked at the 80 minutes chart, so let me switch. Then again, on the 80 minutes chart, I could sense that there was a little bit more correction left to be expected, and I was also rooting for this low here on the charts to be reached. I knew that expecting 33 right now would be a bit of a stretch. So what I basically did was I continued to observe the 20 minutes chart, which we're switching back to. And I also went down to the 5 minutes chart to try and understand what the price was trying to enact here. And it was a 5 minute chart, which actually gave me a very good indication. As you can see, there is a very strong positive divergence on the RSI here because the RSI went, very deep into the oversold zone when price hit this mark, but then recovered quite fast, even though price was almost below that particular low. So this is where I covered my position, and as a result, I was able to make something around $500, or to be more precise, $495 worth of profit on an investment of just $2,500 in a matter of just 3 days. So, if you're interested in learning such techniques, or if you're interested in trading with me, then for cryptocurrency, I'll be starting a program, a Trade Together program. You can enroll for that. If you want more details, just reach out to me. And if you want to learn how to analyze these charts this way, I'm also starting a new workshop, which is called the Learning Sessions. It'll be starting from the 15th of February, Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. And in order to enroll, all you have to do is fill up the form and pay the fees. There's an early bird offer of 1300 going on right now until the end of January. You just have 10 more days to avail that offer. In that, I will be discussing the RSI techniques that I just showed you on this chart, and I will be discussing more techniques. I'll also be including examples like this one and many more to emphasize the points. In addition to RSI, I'll be discussing some other indicators as well and other techniques which one should know. The orientation will be stock market, but when we discuss the indicators, I will also be taking examples from crude and cryptocurrencies. So I hope I'll get to see you on the workshop, which is starting, I'll repeat, 15th of February.